You see the helicopter?
I see a helicopter.
And what else?
Chicago. And I see fire.
What you see, Kari? You see helicopter?
Chicago. And I see,
Yeah.
and I see.
Romari, from now on, when you talk to me, I want you talking to me, looking me in my eyes, okay? Because that's what a young black man does. He looks people in the eyes because it lets them know he's serious and that he means business and that he's telling the truth, okay? All right. That's what I got from you. What's your name?
Juquan.
Juquan? Am I over there? Am I over there? Where am I?
Like that.
So where are you going to look at me? Nobody will ever doubt what comes out of your mouth as long as you look a man in the eye. Because a man can look another man in the eye, and a man that ain't a man, he's going to do this. He's going to do all of that. He's going to look around and say everything but what's the truth, right? Because a sincere young man looks another man in the eye, okay?
Okay.
All right. No. Holy smokes! Who's this?
Kari.
I got to get all the way to look you in the eye. Kari, how old are you?
Three.
Three? Okay, I'll give you a little bit of time, but guess what? You look at me right in the eye, so that makes you a big man already, right? Give me one of those, and then shake my hand like a man. There you go. All right, let's go do this. You?
Yeah, in school.
Oh, yeah, well, we got to get you in school.
He started school in August.
In
My
August?
birthday is August 12th.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's October the 8th.
His birthday is October the 8th.
My other little brother's a month.
Oh, really?
He is.
This is the heart of the Union. This is where all these hungry firemen put on 400 pounds of eating everything. In fact, we're going to eat those fish next week. They'll be this big at least. So better, no, I'm just kidding. I don't want to eat the fish out of the fish tank. But this is where we sit around and we eat and we wait for an opportunity for a run to come. And then when it comes, when the bell rings, that's right. In fact, let's go over here and let them give us a test run. Come on.
You like it, Mari? Quan? You like it, Kari?
Yeah.
What's your name again? Juquan? Romari? Jakari? Wow. I'm going to have to say, let's make it, let's give you guys a group name. What's your group name? How about the Academy 3? The Academy 3 Future Pilots. The Academy 3 Future Pilots, okay? That's it. Yeah, Renocho, hi. This is Commander Dog at ERC Rescue. I was wondering if you guys could crack the speaker for me. I've got a group of kids down here, and their name is the Academy 3 Future Pilots. That's correct. Say again now? That is correct. I have the Academy 3 Future Pilots. Thank you so much. Bye.
We got a test coming through, test only.
Because they'll go running thinking it's a real run. They'll think that the Academy 3 firefighters are taking over this place and we'll be running to the doors trying to get up out of here. But when our runs come through, when people fall in the water and they're drowning or they crash their boat, we get a run like that.
681, test event, 3945 East Foreman Drive. Repeat, 681, test event, 3945 East Foreman Drive.
Mari.
And what does that say?
Hello. To Will.
Close. Say that. What's that? ACAD. Dummy 3 Future Pilots. That's you guys.
Hey guys, how are you?
That's you guys. You guys are the Academy 3 Future Pilots. Now, had I given them those names, I would have had to spell them all, and they would have been like, oh, that's too much. So when we get that run, we come over here, we tap this. It tells us where, well, they won't tell us there.
RSP rescue, did you get that test?
We got that test, our office. Thank you so much.
Okay, AIQ 681 then.
Message received, and we'll be here when you guys need us. See, now that there was the office making sure that we got that test. But if this was a real run, I'd have to repeat back everything here. Academy 3, out the door, we're going to this address, people in the water. Now, the exciting part comes. You run, you get your gear on, and you start getting dressed. So let's go down here, let's see what it looks like. Nice and tight. Store my phone just in case we get an emergency. Grab my vest. This is just in case the helicopter goes into the lake and they have to come and get me. I'll at least be floating, right? Put this here. This allows for me, if that helicopter went underwater, I just yank this out, boom, throw it in my mouth, and now as it's going down, I can breathe long enough to get out of it. So we plan to get out of the helicopter just in case something goes wrong. I'll just tie my shoes up because I don't want my strings getting all wet.
Run, Quan. Y'all gotta run.
It was gonna be y'all anyway. This is my main diver here.
Uh-oh.
Come on. We're going. Can't go that way. So we hold it in our head.
Wow, y'all see that?
Now, going towards the helicopter.
Go run, Kari.
It's important. Run towards the helicopter, but we don't run to the back. We always run to the front.
Hold on, let's take a picture right quick.
Get ready to spin. Guess what? If you go towards the back and that blade is splinting, you'll be like a tossed salad. It'll shred you up. You gotta go around the front always.
Hey, Kari. Say cheese.
Right, we're gonna rotate you guys. Everybody gets to fly. Right up in there. Now, don't pull on that. There you go. You're all set.
Can't go through this way. Yeah.
All right. You guys are in there. You're flying. You're ticking along. You're doing
Sit down in that chair. Right there.
1,000 miles an hour.
Sit in the chair.
That's faster than air can move. That's faster than any bird, and you can almost catch any plane. You ticking. You're going to be blowing up.
You like it?
Now we got to get some helmets on. Yep. That's right. You thought you were getting out of this. And let's go with that.
Touchdown.
Watch this. What the heck? What? See, you hit that button, man. You just got bullets. How many bullets did you shoot? You keep shooting people. Stop doing that. You're shooting. You can't do that. He's like, no, I'm not shooting. All right. Hey, now that was exciting. I got some more stuff. Now we got to get this little guy up front. So why don't you come on out, and I'm gonna bring you to the back.
Oh, oh, that's the yeah.
We'll get you back here. And you come around up front so you can sit up front. Lift your legs, there you go. Now you up in the hot seat. And you get to sit there up front.
Stay right there, Cardi. Wipe your face. The wind. Sit right there in the chair.
You see? You know it's like the Top Gun element. You seen that movie Top Gun when they flying them jets? How does that look? See that?